Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know about the huge new update for Palworld in 2026. So Palworld is officially leaving early access. That's right, Pocket Pair has confirmed the game is targeting their 1.0 launch in 2026. And with that milestone comes a massive promise, a truly huge update full of new content, fixes, and patches. Firstly, Pocket Pair has confirmed the full release is set for 2026, but there's no exact date yet. So what does this mean for the winter 2025 update? Well, the Home Sweet Home update dropping on December 17th will be smaller than last year's Break expansion. There will be features like base building improvements, such as material recoloring for personalized homes, and an epic Ultra Kill collab, so there'll be V1/V2 skins with wings, revolver tricks, and coin shooting moves. Based on past updates and what devs have commented on, this is what could be coming in the new update. For the big update, there'll be new islands/regions, so there'll be expansions beyond Break. There's speculation there'll be ice-covered mountains, desert ruins, and deep caves with rare pearls. There'll also be expanded base building, so more automated systems, defensive structures, pearl trade networks, and a lot of polishing and optimization, such as improved AI, smoother combat, fewer immersion breaking bugs, and all of this together will genuinely transform the experience of Palworld. Some fans speculate there could be new mechanics such as automated factories, PvP arenas, or co-op expeditions. Some players think there will also be a multiplayer expansion, so guilds, trading, and community challenges will be a big part, if that is the case. And overall, fans are just ready for surprises. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro. Also, Merry Christmas!